Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore foreclosure investing research using RealtyTrac step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the RealtyTrac website. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once logged in, you will be taken to the RealtyTrac dashboard. Start by locating the search bar prominently featured on the homepage. Enter your target location for foreclosure properties in the search bar. Select the date range for your foreclosure research using the filters provided. Choose the property type you are interested in, such as single-family homes or multifamily units. Adjust the price range filter to narrow down the listings based on your budget. After setting your preferences, click on the search button to view the results. Your search will display a list of foreclosure properties in the specified area. Review each property's details, including its status, estimated value, and auction date. Click on individual listings for more in-depth information and property photographs. Take note of important data, such as property history, tax assessments, and zoning information. Use the map feature to visualize property locations relative to nearby amenities. Utilize the comparison tools to analyze different properties side by side. Bookmark your most promising listings for easy access later. If needed, download the report for a comprehensive overview of your selected properties. After you've gathered all necessary information, create a spreadsheet for organization. Record key details such as property addresses, values, and pertinent dates. Regularly check back for any updates or new listings in your desired area. Finally, combine your findings with external research to enhance your investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.